Someone just posted a great review about us, and we wanted to share their fantastic feedback with you. We love telling everyone about it because our goal is to provide every individual with a 5-star experience. We feel great about a job well done, but we feel even better knowing someone took the time and care to write about their experience online and leave us a 5-star review. It's simply a win-win for everyone. Every time we receive a positive review, it's like receiving an award of achievement, and that's inspiring. Everyone we serve was new at one time, so we're always excited to speak with anyone, whether they're new or returning. Thank you for taking the time to visit with us today. We look forward to speaking with you. We're only one call away from serving you.